I have a sliding patio door and I wanted to install a lock. I didn't see anything that suited me, so I got a sliding barrel lock. And whenever I want to lock it, I just press it in. I drilled a hole in the metal door, well away from the glass, just right at the edge there. I mounted this on a piece of yardstick to clear this ridge here, and then so it's pretty cool. When the lock is engaged, the door cannot be slid open from the outside. I purchased a 3-inch barrel lock. I'll include the specifics in the description below. And the catch, of course, isn't used. The door becomes the catch. I mounted this on a piece of yardstick. I painted everything first, of course. Before I used any screws, I first placed the assemblage here, and I put some dish soap right on the end of the barrel, and I just bumped it into the door, leaving a circle of dish soap on the door, into the center of which I used a screw to punch. Before using the soap to find the placement of the hole, make sure to fully close the door and give it a push to make sure it's fully closed. I drilled a small hole first in the metal. Before you start drilling, tape a piece of paper to the door to catch any metal shards. I used a larger and larger drill bit until I got to 5/16 inch drill bit, which was the right size. And then I was able to do a better job of placing the assemblage where it belongs, based on where the hole is. If the barrel bolt doesn't quite fit into the hole you've drilled with your 5/16 inch drill bit, you can use a round file to expand the size of the hole a little bit. The base here of the barrel bolt is about 2 3/8 inches, just over. And here is the name of the one I bought. Here are the specifics on the back.